6 years ago, we created Spacewalkers.com, our online technical community for network experts working on ALE technology. Composed of partners and customers, this community is now more than 4,000 members. We wanted to make this real and live. That's why 6 years of existence meant 6 Spacewalkers Tech Day events organized, bringing together a total of 145 participants working together over more than 60 sessions. We saw many side conversations on shortest path bridging, zero trust, network automation, and next generation Wi-Fi, just to name a few. From Paris to Los Angeles and Singapore, we saw great bonding between our most technical customers and key partners, along with ALE product managers and solution architects. We really cannot wait for 2025 to bring the next event close to you.
For me, it's the familiar atmosphere. I know this atmosphere from my company, and it's a pleasure to be here.
The workshops yesterday, it was very interesting, and it helps me.
I really like the buffet workshop, but if I have to choose something technical, it will be the SPB workshop. That was really my first hands-on workshop with SPB, and I really learned a lot there.
It's about having the upgrades on the product lines and all the innovation that can come from the experts.
I like to know ALE developers and take some contacts and building a network, and that's the main goal for me.
They have many practical sessions here, many useful insights. A lot of things you don't read in an owner's manual, you can find here at these offices.
The first thing is that you can meet directly the technical advisors of the product lines in Alcatel, and it's very useful.
I'm really excited to be part of this journey with our team. It's a great opportunity for us to have meaningful conversations with our customers about their journey and experiences with ALE products.
Also, we are receiving an amazing feedback from them, what the things they are suffering, experiences. So it's an amazing event in this scenario. Really willing to participate in the next session next year.
My name is Andres Henkens. I'm working at Hasselt University in Belgium. I'm product owner infrastructure. That means that I own the IT infrastructure of the campus, and also, of course, the campus networks, the fixed network and the wireless network.
Hello, I'm Dominique Margot. I'm a network engineer in the Université Catholique de Louvain, which is one of the greatest universities in Belgium, certainly the greatest in the French community.
My name is Markus Pohl. I'm from Germany. I'm working for Ormexom. It's one brand of Vinci Energies, as one of the biggest building companies in France, and they're working all over the world. And we're creating energy infrastructure, and yes, for example, in offshore wind farms or for substations and transformation on the onshore side.
My name is Justin Göring. I work as a network admin at the city administration of Friedrichshafen. Friedrichshafen is based in Germany, in the south of Germany, at the Lake of Constance.
I met some new people from Switzerland. We will have contact in the future. So that's really helping. They have the same setup as we have, and that is probably a thing that might grow in the future for exchanging information and knowledge. And yeah, maybe we will see each other here again.
Yes, I was meeting other university network people and other industrial customers, so it's great to have feedback from them.
Yes, also I find some nice guys from Germany. They're working for police, for example, or for universities, and yeah, that's great to know what they build.
This event is highly recommended for people who are working with ALE equipment. They have many practical sessions here, many useful insights. A lot of things you don't read in an owner's manual you can find here at these offices.
Yes, I would recommend it.
Only one word? Okay, I think transparency.
Great.
Open.
Interesting.
No, it was really fun to be here.